This is Kavya, wife of Kamlesh. Kavya is always fighting at home. I told you to bring just one thing. You couldn't even remember that?
I searched a lot for it, but I just couldn't find it. It's not like I went to Rajasthan on a holiday.
I know how hard you work. I had just asked for bangles from Rajasthan only because you don't get that kind over here.
I'll make sure to find them the next time I go. I promise.
At that moment, somebody knocked on the door. It was Kamlesh's sister, Naina. Hey, I had asked you to bring something from Rajasthan. Did you get it?
Oh yes, I'll just bring it.
Kamlesh went to his room and brought a packet with him.
This is the garam masala Mom had asked for. And here's the suit for you.
Oh wow! You got me a dress? Love you, brother. Seeing Naina's gifts, Kavya became furious. She went to her room and banged the door shut. Naina left and then Kamlesh went to the room. He can bring a suit for his sister, but he can't bring what I had asked for. Kamlesh was familiar with Kavya's behavior, so he immediately emptied his bag in front of Kavya.
I couldn't find the bangles, but all these other gifts are for you.
There were 2-3 saris and a lot of jewelry. Kavya looked at the gifts but was still angry. Perhaps because Kamlesh gave a gift to Naina first. She sat with a grumpy face. Kamlesh had to leave for work, so he got ready and left. In the evening, when he returned home, he looked at the state of the house and started cleaning up.
Are you still mad at me?
I don't want to talk to you.
Oh dear, now let go of it. I'm really sorry about it.
Kamlesh would always try to make up with his wife, but Kavya never spoke to him kindly. What would poor Kamlesh even do? After a few days, Kamlesh and Naina went to his mother's house. A prospective fiancé's family had come over to meet Naina. That day the marriage was confirmed. To congratulate his sister, Kamlesh thought he would get Naina a gift.
This is for your wedding.
Thank you, brother! Everyone was excited to see the necklace, except for Kavya, who was seething with jealousy. Kavya took Kamlesh to another room and unloaded on him. You never seem to have any money for me, but you have so much to pour over your sister.
Listen, try to understand the situation. This is for Naina's wedding.
Why don't you just go and blow all your money on your family then? I'll go back to my mother's house. Kamlesh's mother heard this and became furious. Go ahead, Kavya. As soon as you leave, I'll make sure my son is remarried. In her anger, Kavya took her things and left for her maiden home. Kamlesh was very upset because of this. Be patient. Now you won't call Kavya or her family. I will do whatever has to be done now. It had been 10 days since Kavya was living with her family. She was waiting for Kamlesh to call her. Even her father was worried.
My dear, did Kamlesh call you yet?
No, father. Kavya told her father about everything that had happened.
You silly girl. Now I will only have to speak to Kamlesh.
Kavya's father called Kamlesh.
My son, I want to talk to you urgently. Whatever you want to speak about, tell my mother.
Kamlesh cut the call and Kavya's father became even more worried. He called up Kavya's mother-in-law.
Sister, Kavya is a young girl. Please forgive her.
She may be young, so you can keep her. She has a problem with our whole family. And I have already spoken to someone else about Kamlesh's marriage.
Sister, please don't do something like this.
Kavya's father was quite scared now. He took her to her in-laws.
Sister, please forgive her.
Typical Kavya. She's angry all the time. That too for no reason. I can find a much better girl for Kamlesh.
But then what will happen to my daughter? Please forgive her this last time. What are you looking at? Say sorry.
Kavya's father asked her to apologize. Kavya, you can't be angry about everything. If Kamlesh brings something for his sister, why does it bother you so much? Doesn't he gift you anything? His family is his responsibility too. If your parents are your only family, then you rather go back to them for good. No, mother. Please forgive me. I won't stop Kamlesh from doing anything now on. I'm really sorry. Kamlesh's mother consoled Kavya. My dear, you are my family and this is your family too. Just like you have a sister, Naina is Kamlesh's sister. If he brings something for his sister, it doesn't mean that he doesn't care about you at all. I understand now, mother. Come on now, smile. You don't look good when you cry. Kavya's mother-in-law hugged her. Kavya finally understood that her in-laws are also her family.